Well, I have it aimed down anyway. Oh, okay.
Hello. I'm here to talk about drug abuse of catnip.
It's recording, by the way.
You see, many cats been abusive towards catnip, and it's getting worse. We need you to stop this abuse. Call now at 802-304-5666.
What? Okay, anyway. So today we're gonna do the Meowbox. Everybody loves the Meowbox. And my lovely daughter, Sinful Kit Kat, is gonna do this and say happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
You'll probably see this after her birthday is over, but today is her actual birthday. But I don't think this will go up till tomorrow.
Yes, tape on his back.
Why did you do that? Okay. So, what?
Hi, pumpkin and pancake.
Pumpkin's outside, so. But.
This will be pumpkin.
Selena is not pumpkin.
I thought there were stickers in it.
So, what do we got?
Bring it on the Mew here.
So, we got here. Isn't that cute? I love these little cards they give us each month. So, it's time to celebrate the Mew year. Another year has passed, but you're still the same floofy ball of perfection. This month's box will provide you with everything you need to start the Mew year off on the right paw. Just don't overdo it on the champagne. Oh dear. Wishing you many treats and naps in 2018. Did they give us one of those, like, catnip wines or whatever for cats?
Can I just take a moment? This looks more like a fox than a cat, doesn't it?
Oh no. Focus. I don't know.
I'm going to write some notes for the New Year's resolutions.
I didn't tell. There's no card in there to tell us what things are. Okay.
First, catch the red dot. Pancake, you're not helping. 2, nap more. 3, learn to use a can opener. 4, purr every day. 5, rule the world! Oh, God.
Okay. Show them the toy. Or just me and I'll show you. So it's a little, it looks like a little list of New Year's resolutions on it. A little feather at the bottom. A little pen thing. So, we play. Okay, what's that? Oh, it's just a toy. Okay. I always thought they were going to give us the actual, like, catnip wine that you see that they can drink. But this is a toy. A little catnip wine bottle. Cute.
And let's celebrate the New Year's with a New Year's hat. Oh, God. Ow.
Okay, and that's a little New Year's hat. You're supposed to give it to me. Well, I can't take it now. That's as close as you're getting to the New Year's hat. Because Pancake has already taken it.
It's not Pancake.
That's something. Oh no, it's Selena. She really wants that. So Selena really likes this one. There you go, baby. What? Too bad that. Oh man, that didn't get in the film. She like had trouble rolling over because she's kind of fat.
Okay. Happy Mew Year. Light up the night. 2-pack. So it'll pretty much just balls that light up.
Cool. We've had stuff like that before, yeah.
Probably should put down a flash warning. Khaleesi! Look at me! And then
And then treats.
No, they're not treats.
That looks like treats to me.
No, they're not. They're beef lung.
That's treats.
That's not treats.
Let me see it.
No, no. Is it focused?
Yes. They're beef lung treats. Which sounds pretty disgusting to me.
One simple, all natural ingredient, nothing else. No, I just blah, 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 blah. Our fillers, just a tasty nutrients. Simple treat your cat loves from a brand you know you can trust. So healthy, so simple. I said sinful instead of simple.
That's okay.
So delicious. It must be. It's purely natural. Soy-free, grain-free, gluten-free, wheat-free. No, these aren't good for you guys.
Are you gonna give them out? Or you're just gonna sit there?
You guys know what this is. Smell it. You smell that? That's beef lung. Got some beef lung.
Speak up.
Yeah, go eat some beef lung.
All they can see is you. They can't really see the cats. So now I'm putting it on the cats.
You could just ask me to back up.
That too. You could back up.
You already had one. Oh! Now I don't know where it went.
Jack shut up. He's like, oh, food.
Will you stop? You are so rude today. What the hell is she relaxes? Give me a attack. You have your own.